Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the error Excel ran out of resources in Windows. Now, a couple of times when you're trying to open or work on an Excel, you might get an error message saying that Excel ran out of resources while attempting to calculate one or more formulas. Now, there is a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step, what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to use the Excel error checking tool. To do this, you will have to open the Excel sheet you're having a trouble with and then click on the formulas tab. Under the formulas tab, you will have to go ahead and look for error checking. So you will have to click on the error checking from the drop down list. After Excel locates the problematic formula, click on the edit in formula bar button to correct it. After that, Excel will not give you any error message. Now, once it is done, you may go and try to check if you are able to, or if you are getting the same error message what you were getting earlier. In case if you're not getting this error message, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. Now, the next step is to go and change the number of calculation threads in your Excel sheet. To do this, you will have to open Excel on your computer. Once you have Excel file or Excel program opened on your computer, you will have to go and click on File at the top left corner and then click on Options. Once you are on the options, you will have to go and click on Advanced. Under Advanced, on the right hand side, you will have to go and look for Formula. Under Formula, you will have to make sure the use all processes on this computer from A to choose the option which says manual, and also change the number from the number what you have to 1. So in this way, what you will do is you will go ahead and change the number of calculation threads within the Excel. Once it is done, you may click on OK and close the Excel program and then try to open the Excel spreadsheet and see if you're getting this error message. Not getting this error message, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. Now, the next step, what I would also suggest you to do is to close any unwanted applications or programs which are running on the computer. In case if you have multiple tabs open for your browser, or if there is any applications which are not using currently, I would suggest you to close those applications and then check if you are getting this error message. In case if you're not getting this error message, you don't have to try the next step. Now, the next step, what I would suggest you to do is to repair your Excel workbook and see if you're getting this error message. Now, to open or repair the Excel work, what you will have to do is you will have to open Excel on your computer with a blank document, and then you will have to click on File at the top left corner and then click on Open, and then you will have to browse to the location where you have the file. So in my case, I have this file saved in the downloads folder for the demonstration purpose, so I will go to the downloads. Now under this, you will have to select the file. Do not double click on it. Select the file, and from the open drop down list, you will have to choose the option which says open and repair, and if you get a prompt, you will have to go ahead and click on repair and then click on close. With this, what it will do is your Excel application will try to repair the file and see if there is any corruption within the document, and it will try to fix the problem by itself. After this, you may try to work on the Excel file and see if you're getting any error message. In case if you're not getting any error message, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. Now the next step, what you could do is you could try to disable the add-ins within the Excel. So if you have the Excel, you will have to go ahead and open the Excel program on your computer. Once you have the Excel program open, you will have to click on File at the top left corner and then click on Options. Under the options, you will have to go ahead and click on Add-ins, and under the add-ins, you will have from the drop down list choose COM add-ins and click on OK. Now, in case if there are any add-ins enabled for your Excel, go ahead and disable them. And in case if you don't need these add-ons, don't need this application to be associated with Excel, you may go ahead and select them and click on remove. So with this, what it will do is it will try to remove the Excel add-in from your Excel application. Now once it is done, you may close the Excel program and then try to open the Excel sheet or a program and see if you're getting any error message. Now in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step what I would suggest you to do is to run the repair for your Excel or the Office application. To do this, you will have right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type appwiz.cpl and then click on OK. So this will open the programs and features window. Now in this list, you will have to go ahead and look for Microsoft Office. In my case, I have Office 365 subscription. It could be different in your computer. So what you would do is you will have to select the program for Office, then click on change. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now here you will see an option to repair or online repair. I would always suggest you to go with an online repair in case if you have an option for an online repair. So with this, what it will do is it will try to replace the corrupt files within the Office application and then repair your Office application. Once it is done, click on repair, restart your computer and check if you're getting any error message with the Excel application. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good. In spite of trying all this step and if you're still seeing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.